Right, check. Alright, good evening ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi po. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind, kung saan every day, every night, every weekday, kung merong market, we will be live and we will talk about trading, stock market, and investments in general. Hindi lang sa stock market, pati forex, pati crypto, even NFT is something that something very hyped up right now. So yeah, we'll talk about NFT here and there also. Pero basta po, tungkol sa pera. Yan. This is the best program for you to watch every weeknights at 8 p.m. po ito. Alright? Dito po sa Stock Said with me, Lloyd Bazar. If you have any questions, post it in the comments. Gusto niyo yumaman, paano ba? Post it in the comments. Alright, wag lang mangungutang sa akin kasi lahat ng pera ko nasa investments ngayon eh. Alright, so wala akong mapautang. Pero ganun na dapat ang sagot ninyo sa mga nangungutang sa inyo. Instead na bigyan niyo pera, man, all my funds right now are on hold because nasa investments lahat, hindi ko magalaw. But what I can help you with, instead na pautangan kita pre, is I'll teach you how to make money off investments. So, ganun ang sagot sa mga nangungutang. Anyways, ayan, today, yung topic natin is going to be about dito si Lloyd dito, magjo-join siya sa atin ngayon dito sa background. Yeah, topic natin yan. Yesterday, we talked about charting. Si Dito, we called it a buy already. And yun, 11% for today. May ganito yan eh. It's about preparedness meeting luck. I mean, yeah, yung success basically is yung preparedness ninyo. Tsaka may halong swerte, di ba? If those things meet, yan, and there's success. There it is. For dito, mga pumasok kay dito, even noon pa, sinasabi ko na bodegahin nyo every time it dips, you start buying it. But yesterday, it was the first time I said na go for trade, and there it is, 11%. Let me share the screen really quick. Alright, so, nope, that's not dito, that's DMC. I was looking at DMC earlier. But yeah, one of the top gainers for today is dito. Sorry, my screen is not sharing the right one. There we go. Let me just resize this para perfect. Yan. So, yan, ang laking green with volume today. Even did a breakout. 11.96% gains today, 0.88 points. But the reason why, bakit natin to kinol, we'll talk about it later. Paano naging buy ito? Why did we call it a buy yesterday? More about that technical analysis para sa mga kakapanood lang. Update tayo PSEI. PSEI, red day today, negative 0.14%. Maliit lang. That's negative 9.34 what do you call this? Points. Net foreign selling 26 million. The market's not that strong yet. There's good news sa market. Not really the market, but economy natin, our economy, GDP growth is at 11%, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I did a post about that earlier. Was it 11% or 18%? Wala sa isip ko. Let me just open my post once again. 11.8 pala. So, medyo nalito ako 18 ba yun or 11. It's 11.8% for Q2 2021. So, malaki siya pakinggan, but considering our status last year na sobrang baba, it's a very good improvement nonetheless, right? Compared to last year, diba? So that means that our economy is really starting to recover already. So that's a good sign right there, but not enough really to really propel the market. Pero marami na naman investors. Ang ganda ng volume ni dito kanina. So about time. We'll talk more about it in a bit. Yan. Punta muna ako sa comments really quick. And switch tayo music. Dun tayo sa chill music natin. Alright. Ito. Alright. I'll go to the comments really quick. Asa na yun? Wala. Yun. Ishi, Marimat, magandang gabi. Alright, always present. Thank you so much. Nga pala, please share this video. Pag-share pa itong video na ito to your friends, to your relatives, to your Facebook basically. If you have any trading groups out there aside from our trading groups, yung Billionaires Club and yung isa natin with Stock Said, please share it there para mga newbies doon. Kasi for sure, araw-araw may mga baguhan doon. Please share this video so that they will know that there's a program like this na araw-araw meron kayong matatakbuhan, sumbungan. Ako ang tulfo ng stock market. Yan diba? Anyways, ayan. Patrick Orpeza, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Alfredo Kisto, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi rin. Jerome Once, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ano po months madalas nagbe-breakout sa Forex? Doesn't really follow kung meron ba talagang pattern. Usually kasi, ang nangyayari is, it will depend on the state of economics sa country, right? Hindi naman sa everyday. There are days na iba-ibang news. Merong news about their employment. Pag maganda ang employment status nila, their currency usually becomes stronger. So, that could be something you can catch and ride the wave on. So, may mga ganon. Like, for example, yung exporting industry nila, malaki ang kita. So, that makes the economy strong. And then their currency goes stronger. So, pwede nyo po yan sakyan, right? You don't go for months, you don't go for go for the news. So, yun yung kagandahan sa Forex, right? Mas magigauge mo ang galaw niya. Kasi once the economy of the country is strong, then usually it will go up, right? Ping, magandang gabi po, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi po, Eddie Ed. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Queenie Rosette. Hi, Jess. I'm not sure who Jess is. Alright, good evening po from J. Manawis. Alright, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Alright, let's go to Dito kanina. Alright, so once again, this is Dito right here. No, that's not Dito. That's PSEI. Alright, Dito is right here. Wait, Dito is here. Alright, anyways, yung kaibigan ko nga nagsabi na tawag nito. Pinangalanan mo ba si Lloyd Dito ng Lloyd Dito dahil kay Dito? Hindi po. Anyways, I'm one of the biggest fan of Dito right now. Very good Nasa 2 million na nga sila. Ang bilis nga 2 million subscribers already. Just a matter of months. March sila nagsimula. March, April, May, June, July, August. Just 4 months, 2 million subscribers. That's amazing growth right there. So I'm a very big fan of the company. That's why I'm going for it for long term. Alright, so dito, market kanina ng 11.96%, almost 12%. And yesterday, if you were here yesterday, I did call it out since tinanong ninyo anong sa tingin nyo kay dito. It was a buy already. And if you went in kanina, when the market opened, boom, panis. You're already up 12%. That's already so much gains for you guys. I think there will be more, right? If ever this trend continues. I cannot say for sure because the market is not that strong. But at the very least, we entered at the right time, diba? Let me load my chart layout really quick. Load chart layout. Then let's go back to Dito. Alright, there it is. So, yun. Why did we call this a buy? Actually, dito pa lang sinabi ko sa inyo na pwede na itong bilhin. Bakit? Right? If you have watched my Bollinger Band videos already, this is one of my favorite technical analysis talaga. Bollinger Bands, right? Bollinger Bands. If you haven't watched it yet, go to YouTube. I'll just give you the link here in the comments. Lloyd Bazaar, Bollinger Bands, right? Bollinger Bands, right? So I have a video about Bollinger Bands. This is a 1-hour video. Sobrang intensive ng course na ito, ng video na ito. I'll post it in the comments. Hopefully you watch this. Huwag yung, I'm guilty of this. Medyo nasa spoon feed ko na kayo minsan dahil sa technical analysis natin. But best if you know technical analysis yourselves. Right? So that's the video right there. Sponsored by 230 Asia. Right, but isa sa mga Bollinger Band technical analysis ko is engulfing pattern paired up with a Bollinger Band. So whenever this happens, whenever there's a red bar, there's momentum in it kasi. Momentum pabagsak. Pero whenever there is this engulfing candlestick, meaning nag-close siya na mas mataas kaysa sa last red one that crossed below the lower Bollinger Bands, as usually a signal na patapos na ang downtrend. What I usually do is wait for the pullback and usually the next bounce is your entry point and that will be your support. And true enough, dito, nag-bounce siya. This is a buy already aggressively, but I even told you na, yeah, you can trade this already, but what I recommend is just test buy this one out. Right? Test buy this one out because tingnan natin if ever this can confirm once again. The market's not that strong, so you will want more confirmation. Confirmation is gonna be a support or a higher bounce. And there it is. We have a higher low, and kahapon tinanong niya sa akin, ano sa tingin ko kay dito? That's a buy already. Hats off. If you buy there, you can even buy more at the support if ever it drops. It's just a much safer trade for me. That's why I love this kind of trading. Then when we called it yesterday, today 11.96%. Congratulations sa mga pumasok. I cannot remember sino nagtanong sa akin about dito, but I did say that you buy it if ever pinasok nyo talaga, then congratulations. What you can do next, if ever gusto nyo po malaman kung anong pwedeng susunod na gagawin dito, is you do not enter here. Right? What you need to do is wait for the pullback and then next bounce sa kanyo pasukin. Right? Huwag nyo nang habulin yan. Please, huwag kayong maghahabol. Sasaktan lang kayo niyan. Parang pag-ibig. Naghugot na naman. Wait, I don't know how to delete this. Ayun nga pala. Alright, ito. Let me just delete that. Anyways, that's for dito. Huwag niyo po habulin, please. Huwag kayong mainggit. Actually, dapat preparation noon pa lang dun sa kanyang pinasok. So that you're in a good position when it already goes up. That's why it's called position trading. Diba? That's what I really want to teach you guys. Alright, so let's go to the comments. That is basically our topic for this evening. Alright, let's go charting. Pingwa Ping. Magandang gabi. Nabasa ko na to. Alright, Ishi, Marimat, PHR, and Ada. Sir, let's check out PHR. Philippine Resorts and Resorts Group Holdings. Alright. So, similar pattern. Reverse head and shoulder. At least sinasabi ko sa inyo, engulfing pattern. Alright. And then, the next bounce is the entry point. And there it is, confirmed support. That's your entry point. And then, if ever pinasok nyo po yan, basically, I'm just repeating myself, but makikita nyo po yan sa mga technical analysis. It's not 100% true. It doesn't work 100%, pero when I look at the market, when it was stabilizing, I did tell you, hanapan nyo na ng position because the market is stabilizing. These are the positions that I am looking for, right? More about this in my seminar. If you want to know more how I really do it, yung position trading na yan, go to patreon.com/lbazaar at meron po doong option for you to be able to get the seminar, right? Lahat po, technical analysis, how I read it, how I execute my trades, etc. Even sa pagbenta, it's not as easy as buying, pati sa pagbenta may strategy po yan. Lahat ng technical analysis ko andun po. Check it out if you want to learn more, right? So, yan po. Anyways, PHR, these were the buy points. I would say this is still a buy, right? It's not good for short-term trades anymore, but for long-term trades, I think if ever, sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. Ito yung sinasabi ko, right? Engulfing pattern with the Bollinger Bands. Ito yung pula na nag-touch ng Bollinger Band, closed below Bollinger Bands, and then that's the engulfing pattern right there. What I usually do is I don't enter it there. What I do is I will let it pull back and create, and the next bounce usually is the entry point. Dito, kung pinasok nyo dito, test buy, then that's good. If you waited for confirmation, that's another confirmation right there, and you would have been winning already. I would say this is still a buy, especially for mid to long term trades. This is still a very good position because after the breakout, pumula siya, and then you really want further confirmation since market's not that strong, and there it is. That's the confirmation you're looking for. That's okay to buy. Alright? That is for PHR. ADA, Cardano, right? ADA USDT. Tether ba yung tinitingnan natin? Alright. ADA USDT. Alright. Same with Bitcoin talaga. I already told you, if ever Bitcoin breaks out, the others will break out. And there it is. Ito, delayed. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Mauna si Bitcoin, susunod ang lahat. And today lang nag-breakout si ADA. So, that's a buy right there. Right? Inabangan nyo dapat to nung kaka-breakout lang. But anyways, that's just 7.60% climb for today. That's still good to go. That's a buy for me. konting ingat lang. We're reaching our sign already. But yeah, it's a beautiful support. I was telling everyone to buy Ethereum, Bitcoin. Same goes to other crypto. So if you were able to get into that, ang ganda sana, 'di ba? Anyways, it is what it is. But yeah, that is still a buy for me. I would say mas maganda if ever let it pull back since malaki naman yung climb niya ngayon. Let it pull back and then the next bounce, if it confirms the new support, then that's your entry point for ADA. Sebastian Arcega, Sir Pasilip CLI, okay na po ba siya sa long term? CLI, it's pulling back right now, so that's good. I think may opportunity dito in the coming days. Overall, for long term, I would say CLI is doing well. Real estate dito sa Cebu is booming. CLI is one of the top developers in Cebu right now. So yeah, I would say yes. Nagpo-pullback siya ngayon. Next bounce will be a good entry for you guys. Good find, Sebastian Arcega. TBGI from Ronnie Fernandez. Let's check out TBGI. Alright, TBGI. Yun, sa support area. Mukhang nagsisimula na siya mag-okay. Pero nahihirapan siya. Pumula na naman today. I think it's stabilizing already. I think I will need more of a green, more information. Pwede mag-green to. Pag nag-green, at least meron kayong support dyan. That's a reverse 7 shoulder pattern. So pwede nyo pong bilhin yan pag nag-green for TBGI. Kasi yun nga lang, nag-green na siya tapos pumula na naman. So kind of you can trade this, but you don't have to go for long term for this one. Just cut loss if ever you need to, right? As for TBGI, tahan PJ Boss, good evening. Pa-check naman po si Mark if may sign to buy na. Alright, let's check out Mark Ventures. Alright, engulfing pattern. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, engulfing pattern, but this is very strong. So I will want Mark to pull back, at least man lang kung mag-support ito, then that's your entry point right there, man. Magpo-pull back pa to. You don't have to go aggressive on this one. That's for sino nga ba yun? Kay PJ. Philip Macabenta, hello Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Or good evening sa inyo. Rowena Villa, good evening din. Reggie Conde, good evening sir. Pasilip lang po si MM and Nickel. Ito si MM, right? I would say, yan na. Actually, sinabi na natin sa inyo dito na buy na si MM, di ba? Meron tayong divergence dyan and lumipad na nga after that one. Hard to say right now. So it's doing a pullback. If ever you see a higher low, that's gonna be your entry point at the very least, right, for MM. Okay pa naman siya, kakasimula pa lang ng rally niyan. Meron pa pala si Nickel from Reggie. Nickel. Alright, Nickel broke MA20 earlier. I would say mukhang tapos na ang uptrend niya. I don't like the position anymore. Why? We saw bearish signals right here, so most probably tapos na yung uptrend natin for this one. I could be wrong, pwede pa yung umakyat, but not my kind of trade. I don't trade stocks na nandyan sa taas. Ito ang mga gusto ko. Hopefully you've seen this. Ganda ng support, divergence. I've been teaching divergence ever since. So that was the best entry right there for Nickel. Anyways, not my kind of trading anymore. I don't want to recommend that. I will want to inject my kind of trading. Pwede pa yung umakyat, pero not comfortable with that kind of trade. So I will just safely say no. That's not a buy. I will say buy if ever may makita kong buy. But right now, even if nag MA20 bounce yan, it's already scary, man. Way up there. Green and LRW, pasili po. This is from Patrick Orpeza. Let's check out Green Energy. Alright. So, yan. Green Energy. Talked about Green Energy with the divergence. That was a test buy right there. Sinabi natin na pwede nyo na itong bodegahin. Umaakit na siya. Let it pull back and bounce before you wanna get in since medyo mataas na yung rally niya. Right, for Green Energy. LRW. Sabi sa inyo, magbodega na kayo noon pa. Nahanap nyo dapat yung mga positions na LRW. Wala pa tayong signal. So this is one of the instances na what do you call this? An engulfing pattern failed. This is the reason why I always wait for the pullback and wait for it to really create a bounce or a support after an engulfing pattern. There's an engulfing pattern here pero wala tayong bounce. There's an engulfing pattern here pero wala tayong bounce. Right? So these are instances that engulfing pattern fails. That's why I usually wait for confirmations. LRW, sobrang ganda na ng RSI niya. So I'm expecting for this, most probably, this is the last thread. Baka mag-engulfing pattern ito next coming days and then confirm the support. That would be a buy for me, right? We are already at go signal sa RSI niya. I think we can get further confirmation in the future dito. Uy, Michi Koy, kamusta? Alright. Kamusta kayo dyan, Mitch? Ano bang month ngayon? August. Uy, palamig na dyan ah. Sarap pumunta dyan ulit. Patrick Orpeza, yeah, we already covered your questions. Leonilo Texon, good evening sir. Pwede po kay Meg. Let's check out Mega World. Ayun. Alright. So, Mega World. We didn't really catch signals for this one. So, yeah, this is looking well. Pull back and bounce. Right, if it confirms the support right here, then that will be your entry point for Meg. Pull back and bounce, then that's still a confirmation right there. That's gonna be your entry point for Meg. Okay na rin to si Meg. Maganda na tong position niya. Mura na. Kel Mike, Sir, BTC po, pinasok ko sa breakout 40k plus per advice. TP at 46k, kailan pwede pasukin ulit. Alright, let's check out Bitcoin, BTC USD. Alright, kumusta ba siya? Yun. I think, pare, benta mo na. Alright. Umabot mo siya ng 46. Ayun, nakapag-take profits ka na. Alright, so good job. Good trade, galing. The breakout was at 40,000. So, that's an 11-12% gain for you, man. So, that's good. I'm seeing bearish signals kasi. So, hindi na siya gaanong kalakas tulad ng dati na galing 20k, umabot na 60k. Because right now, it's still overpriced for the asset, right? Can't really say na overpriced siya kasi since demand, but I would say still overpriced for something that there's nothing backing it up aside from the demand, diba? So, yeah. Good job sa benta mo. Hanapan natin ng entry susunod, right? It's no longer touching the Bollinger Bands here compared to this one right here. That means there is lesser momentum in this side, and that is being evident on the RSI din. Pababa yung RSI natin compared to this one. Ang buying natin malakas. Yeah, but buying still strong right here, but it's not as strong as the previous one. So that's bearish signal right there. That's called the bearish divergence. Look it up. Since mga tinuturo ko rin. Right? So, yon. O nga pala, speaking of, sure, yeah, we talked about dito. I told you it's a buy. Yan, update tayo. For Valkyrie, today we closed, kahapon we were closed at 6.31%. Medyo maliit lang ang kita today, 6.45%. So it's at around 0.14% lang. But that's still okay, right? For something na wala akong ginagawa. This is a 25,000 investment. I just earned 50 pesos today because of it. Doing nothing. So yeah. So Valkyrie bot is an AI trading software. It's a premium AI trading software. Sobrang ganda, especially for long term. I will not share it to you guys if ever hindi siya maganda. Last year pa namin to tinetest. We don't want to share the information outright kung hindi pa namin na-testingan. Kasi gusto namin ako mismo ang mag-risk na mag-test kaysa kayo pa mag-risk mag-test. And it's doing well. And nakausap namin yung mga owners ng bot na ito and napamura nga natin para sa mga Pinoy yan, di ba? So yeah, sayang naman yung sayang naman opportunity. This is trading in Forex, but passive income, my friends, when it comes to trading, alright? Yung AI na po, yung bot na po ang magte-trade para sa inyo. Once this is set up already, I've earned already 6.45% for less than a month. 20 days pa lang na trading nito, I've already earned 6.45%. Beat that, banks, right? So, I don't really look at this one kasi this is just proportion to how much you are putting in. I usually look at the percentage because if I put in 100k dito, I've already earned 6,000 doing nothing in 20 days. Di ba? 6,000 in 20 days, isang buwan. 6,000 lang ang ginagawa. That's good, right? Pero, yan, this is in trading, there is still risk. Itong yellow na ito, this is the lowest points my portfolio reached before closing at 6.45, right? So, at the onset of the trades, bumaba siya ng konti, pero hindi pa naman hit yung stop loss at naging gains pa. Right? There are instances na ito, bumaba nga hanggang dito before closing at 4.93. So, that's the yellow one right there. Okay? The trades, ito, makikita nyo po dito, trading periods goals browser. Asan na yung mga data dito? Meron tong sa mga long shorts goals. No, periods. Ito pala. Right, so profitability niya, makita niyo po dito. Sa long positions ko, 15 out of 20 trades won. That's 75% win rate. That's amazing. Today, 87% as of today, 87% po ang win rate sa short positions, right? That's 7 out of the 8 trades. Ganun po siya ka-accurate, right? Hindi siya malakihan ang kita, but you see the win rate, right? It's lesser risk, di ba? That is for Valkyrie. If you wanna register for Valkyrie, andyan po sa video description ang link ng registration ng Valkyrie. If you wanna know more about it, which I strongly recommend, right? Learn about Valkyrie first. Meron po akong video dyan. Andyan rin po sa video description yung video about Valkyrie, right? And then, si Izanagi naman, ang performance ni Izanagi. This one naman, yung kung kanina si Valkyrie may bayad because this is a premium bot. Izanagi is free. Ang babayaran nyo lang dito is the VPS, which is yung computer mismo na magta-trade para sa inyo. Kaysa naman yung computer nyo mag-on lagi to do the trades. But it is now at 91%. And this is a verified account. Makita nyo po dito. This is from MyFX book. If you wanna check out, para alam nyo na hindi yan bogus na account. That's from MyFX book. Vine-verify yan ang account nyo before nila ilalabas to the public. If ever it's a verified one, may check po yan dyan. So, yeah. This is from January. At least sinabi namin sa inyo, we test it in advance before we share to you guys. This account was created last January. And ano tayo ngayon? August 10 yung update niya. It's already up 91%. Beat that, banks. Diba? Mali yung dub ko. Dapat ganun. Anyway, so yeah, Izanagi it's for free. Right? Free naman po ito si Izanagi. So, but higher risk, right? The drawdown, look at the drawdown. 26.87% ang drawdown. Yeah, your portfolio can go down 26.87. At a certain point, nag-down ng 26.87 ang port. But in exchange for 91% gain, so yeah. Eto, parang ganito. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo about Forex. Economic event notification, USD non-farm productivity worse than expected. So, pangit ang consensus. So, most probably, dollar is gonna be dropping today. Right? So, pwede po yan. So, here are the trades. Mas lower yan. Right? Mas maraming positions. 450 trades already on long. 68%. That's still not bad. Sabi ko sa inyo, a good trader, pag 60% ang trade win rate mo, that's already very good. So, shorts niya naman, 65% yung win rate niya. Right? So, but profitability is still bigger compared sa losses niya. So, this is from January, kung saan dumaan pa nga tayo sa mga second cases na mga blah blah blah, ganito ganyan, and still doing well. 91% for this year. If you wanna join Izanagi, this is also good. Pero disclaimer ko lang sa inyo dito, this is higher risk. Nakita nyo, bumaba hanggang 26% ang port, right? This yellow ones right here, grabe bumaba yan, right? Before closing, right? So, it's a much higher risk, what do you call this? Bot, pero maganda pa rin ang performance. The higher the reward. The higher the risk, the higher the reward. Ganun talaga. So, if you want this one, this is for free. At least wala kang investment for the bot. This is for free. Babayaran ng VPS is 300 a month. So, that's very good. Pero ilagay nyo lang po dito if ever meron kayong extra funds dyan. Because it's higher risk. Dapat yung pera na hindi nyo kailangan. Baka pang tuition ng anak nyo, ilagay nyo dyan. Baka manok na pula kayo na misis nyo. So, yan. Extra funds here. Right? If ever the funds are more important to you, then put it in Valkyrie. Right? Mas long-term naman tong approach nito. I did share about this one sa sa page natin about bot. If you haven't joined the page yet, please join this page. Yan, I shared. Dito ko kasi lang linalagay na lahat ng updates. Ayoko nilagay sa Stocks, ayoko nilagay sa Financial Freedom 101. Lahat, almost lahat ng updates sa bot dito ko ilalagay. Meron po ditong linagay ako na anong magandang bot para sa inyo. Meron kaming 3 bot. Ako si John. That's the Izanagi, the Trend Follower, and the Valkyrie. So this will, para makita nyo ano maganda para sa inyo. Check this out. So join this, please like this page para makita nyo po ang mga updates. And with updates, may promo po kami. Right? We are gonna be giving out 6 months free na Valkyrie to a few winners, right? For a few winners na pipiliin namin. All you need to do is, even if you're existing already, all you need to do is create an informative post about Valkyrie. Ayan, about Valkyrie. Right? Check this one out. Tingnan nyo po ito, ang post na ito, para makita nyo po ano yung criteria. And then, if ever mapili namin kayo, then you can win 6 months free worth of Valkyrie. Right? Hindi nyo kailangan bayaran si Valkyrie for 6 months. Right? So yun, that's it. That's how you can join the promotion. Right? Post about it. Create an informative post about Valkyrie bot. Gusto nyo ba ng Forex na automated? Right? This one right here. Ito, ganito, ganyan. Share to your friends. Then, send a screenshot. Meron naman pong dito. Meron naman pong, lagyan nyo lang po ng hashtag para malaman namin na nag-post kayo. Make it public. Right? Make it public. And so, yan. Para makita namin kayo. And then, we're gonna be doing draws and give it to you. We'll inform you sino ang mananalo. Right? So, that's for the bots. Let's go back to, charting. Before I go to Facebook again and charting, let me go to YouTube. Kamustahin natin ang mga tao dito. Alright, Nelson, Julian, good evening. Watching from Saudi Arabia. Good evening po sa inyo. Alan Picardal, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check naman po si BSC, Annie, and Aba. Alright, let's check them out for you guys. BSC was already good for me. Alright, so next green ito, that's gonna be your entry point for BSC. Si Annie, matagal ko na itong pinagsasabi sa inyo na bodegahin nyo pa dito sa support. It's already doing good, starting to look well already. Next pullback and bounce. As much as possible, bodegahin nyo to. Okay pa rin si Annie. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega kay Annie. Aba, alright, si Aba Core, next pullback and bounce. That's already very good. We talked about this already. Dyan yung buy natin. Medyo umokay na si Aba. Pull back and bounce before you wanna get in Aba. Time check, it's 8:35. Maaga pa naman, so we can do this. Good evening. Nanette, magandang gabi. Rugine Balagot. Good evening, sir. Good evening po. AC po, do I have to wait at 7:20 pa kaya from Nanette Mill? Let's check out AC. Ayala Corp. Nanette, this is a buy already. I would say, maganda ang 720 na entry. That's the best case scenario, 720. The problem is we're not sure if ever it will go back to 720. At this price right here, I would say just buy it already, and then if it goes further down, then just buy more. Yung tinuro ko sa inyo na net na test buy, you just buy more if ever bumaba pa ito. You can't go wrong with this kind of company. So at this low price, when the market recovers, these companies should recover. You're gonna be in a very good position overall. ASEN, please. This is from Jinro. Let's check out ASEN. Masyado mataas pa si ASEN eh. Medyo na-hype pa si ASEN because of it entering the index. You can use Fibonacci already kung alam nyo paano. This is the last pullback for Fibonacci. Abangan nyo sa 8.80. Yeah, for sure maraming mga abang dyan. 8.8 for ASEN. That's gonna be a very good entry point. Ryan, MM, and PHA. Thanks. We covered MM already. Let's go for PHA. Alright, si PHA. Yeah, mukhang tapos na rin yung downtrend niya. At sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon, dahil ganito sa PHA, sana mag-pullback pa. Next bounce is gonna be your entry point. And nag-bounce ka agad. So, pasukin nyo lang kaagad kung gusto nyo trade si PHA. But yeah, the best case scenario, ang problema kasi talaga is if ever hindi natin napasok dito, maganda sana yung position dito, ba? Divergence dito. If hindi natin napasok dyan, mahirap na kasi maghabol sa taas. But we have no choice. We are left into the mercy of the market. If ever bigyan tayo ng magandang pullback and bounce, that's a good entry point. But baka magtuloy-tuloy rin, who knows? For these kinds of cases, I don't want to trade it anymore. Since hindi ako bibigyan. If ever bibigyan ako ng position, then I'm gonna be trading it. But if not, then it's okay. Ganun lang mag-trade. Alright. Macyan Moto Adventure. Sir, good evening. Bakit di na bumalik si X? Sumama na. Bakit na Derek? Bakit di na bumalik si X? Sumama na bakit na Derek? O nga eh. Gagawa sila ng YouTube channel daw eh, di ba? Anyways. Support for X is right here. So hopefully mabalikan kayo. Right, hopefully balikan kayo dito. Pero huwag kayo umasa. Right, DMC, let's check it out. Lucky Costales, DMC, laki ng ano kanina. Laki ng tubo. That's around 4% growth with volume. So I cannot consider this as an engulfing pattern. It's too volatile as of the moment. I really want to, at the very least, kung mag-support man ito dito, that's gonna be a very good position for DMC. So, for assets na ganito na questionable or you can't really see the right entry kaagad, I don't trade it. If it's questionable, then don't trade. Simple as that. Xerxes, plug, I test buy po, 2.5. Okay lang po ba mag-test buy kay plug? Ano po analysis nyo kay chart niya? Right, let's check out plug. Going international. Alright, ganda. Right, the pullback, bumalik sa support, and that was a good buy right here. Saan mo pinasok? 25.92. That's a very good buy right there. 25.92. It's right here. That's good entry, man. Galing ng pasok mo, man. So, hayaan nyo muna. That's already a very good entry for you, man. Next buy more mo, because most probably this is gonna break out. Next pullback and bounce, that is gonna be where you go aggressive on this one, because that's the uptrend right there. Mitsai, good evening, Sir Lloyd. XOM and Gold Barrick po. Let's check out XOM. Exxon Mobil Corp. Alright. Okay. Support is right here. You can test that one out. But if gusto niyo yung confirmation, pag nag-breakout to for XOM, let's check out Gold and Barrick. Alright. Barrick Gold. Possible support right here. Pag nag-confirm ng support, bro, okay lang. Alright. Test out the support right here. If ever it goes green on this support, nasa support naman tayo. So that's a good entry for mid-side. Lilbert Pactores. Pactores eh. Tabang Dol, ipit ko. Saan ka ipit, Lilbert? Let's check it out. Nga pala. Sa mga ipit dyan, look for this video. Search for Lloyd Bazaar. Average down. Right, search for this video. I didn't cut loss help. So mga ipit dyan, this is about a good time to start looking at this video. Look for this video. I'll just get the link para diretso nyo na. Sa YouTube, lagay ka sa YouTube, watch this video, and sa atin dito, please watch this video. Please watch this video sa mga ipit dyan. Right? That is how to average down without adding funds. Meron kasi mga stocks na ipit tayo, so ayaw natin mag-buy more. Maybe, nagdadalawang isip ka kasi it's a big company, or wala lang kayong pera. Right? Pag nakatanggap kayong ayuda, pwede nyo ilagay. Right? Pwede nyo average down. But yeah, there are assets that you don't want to average down. There is a way to average down without adding funds to it. Right? Watch that video. That will help you a lot. Alright, so Michikoy, yan. VLL, Leonilo Texon. Teka lang ha. Meron akong mga hindi nabasa sa taas. Alright, ito. Chart Fernandez, first sir, pasilip sa BHI. Let's check out BHI. Time check at 8:41. We need to finish at around 8:50 because meron ako meeting kanina alas 8. Sabi ko habol lang ako kasi sanay na ako maghabol. BHI, buy. Alright, that's a buy. That's a good head and shoulder pattern right there, man. That's a buy. use this uptrend line as your support for BHI. Good find, Chart Fernandez, Wilcon, and BHI. Alright, so let's check out Wilcon. Wilcon nasa taas. I don't want that trade. Right? Bearish signals na tayo, so most probably tapos na yung trend niya. So I cannot recommend Wilcon. Sir, pa-check po MAC, MEG, and NBT po. MAC, MEG, and NBT. PHA from Michael Rubio. Oh, did we cover PHA already? I think we did already. MAC, buy. That's your support right there. Okay, get in the support as much as possible near there. Pero, yeah, that's already a buy right there. Tapos kay MAC, MEG. I think na-cover na natin si MEG kanina. Yeah. Next pullback and bounce is gonna be a buy for MEG. And then, sorry. After kay MEG, asa na ba yan? MBT. Ito sa Metro Bank. Let's check out MBT. Whew, nice. It's looking like it's gonna pull back. So, mas maganda if mag-pull back to. Next bounce for MBT is gonna be your best entry. PHA, we covered that. Nancy, Catilo. Sir, pa-check naman po na MAC, MEG, MBT. We did that already. AJ, good PM, Sir Lloyd. Downtrend pa din po ba sa Apple? Or will it go higher, especially that iPhone 13 is looming around? Alright, so I can't say. Ang problema ko lang kay Apple is it's already way up there. Look at that. Medyo bearish na talaga pinapakita niya. So, I cannot, hindi naman siya sa downtrend kasi pataas rin naman to, but I want it to really dip, especially sa mga blue chips sa international markets. These dips are your friends. So, pag nag-dip ng ganito, that's gonna be a very good entry for you guys. Kahit na may iPhone 13 pa yan, but sobrang mahal pa rin ni Apple, it's not gonna be a very good entry. Padipin muna natin, mukhang magda-downtrend pa. You don't have to go aggressive on this one since it's way up there, right? So, hindi dapat magmadali. I could be wrong. It's not my kind of trade right there. So, kaya ko nga binenta na yung Apple ko, sabi ko sa ibebenta ko na dito, di ba? Because, yeah. Kel Mike, pa-check po si BNB. Let's check out BNB. This is Binance Coin, USDT. Right? For sure, breakout din to. And there it is, nag-breakout na nga siya. That's a buy right there. Major resistance right there. So, but yeah. Medyo late ka nang pumasok. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-breakout si Bitcoin, sundan nyo kaagad yung ibang mga altcoins kasi magbe-breakout rin yan. Easy money right there, right? Sana nabasok nyo to. There's still opportunity in it, nonetheless. Michikoy, ayan. VLL, sabi ni Leonilo Texon. VLL, buy, massive support right there. Good find, my friend. That's a divergence right there. So, yeah. That's a buy for VLL. Love that this find right here. DDMPR, reverse and shoulder pattern. That's also buy right there. Test buy nyo na. See DDMPR. Next for DDMPR, JFC. This is from Jessica Nang. Oh, ganda rin. Buy. Right. Nagpo-pull back siya. Next bounce will be your entry point for JFC if it confirms the support. ABA, we covered ABA already. Next pullback and bounce na lang po kay ABA before you wanna get in. LTG from John Paul Nuyad. And binamadali ko lang, pasensya na kasi it's almost time. Right. LTG, my friend, that's a buy. If you can get inner support, that's good. If it breaks out, then that's gonna be another entry. So those are your signals for buying. MWC, sell na. This is from Beverly Aguila. Let's check out MWC. Sell na ba? Yep. That's a big sell-off. Bullish nga eh, di ba? Pero if ever sa baba nyo nakuha to, bad time to sell. If you still think this is gonna go up, which I think will still go up if the market recovers, then buy some lang. I mean, sell some. Sell half of your position. Yeah, it's a sell signal right there. APL. Let's check out APL. Polo Global. Yun. So, sell off after yesterday's climb. Next green is a buy. Right? For APL. Right, good find from Rodel. Abangan nyo na yan. Eddie Ed, sir, pwede pa check po si Metro.l and TAL. Thank you so much. Let's check it out. I think we're gonna use eToro for that one. Metro Bank PLC. Alright, Metrobank PLC. Looking good. If you can get in at 90, pag bumaba yan sa 90 sa support niya, then that's a good entry right there. Actually, nag-breakout siya, di ba? Man, this is a buy, right? This is looking like it's a buy already. I would say I buy this one, and then if ever bumaba sa support, then buy more. That's gonna be a very good position. Then cut loss below 90 na lang. Ganun. That's the best solution right here for this one. TAL Education Group. Okay. Meron kang resistance dito at around 6.40 plus. Pag nag-breakout to, right, that's gonna be a buy signal for you. Not really sure what caused this downtrend though, so please be careful. I don't want to trade stocks that are doing bad, right? Meaning yung company is doing bad. So if the company is doing bad, then don't trade this, man. Pero please make sure alam nyo ano nangyayari dito sa downtrend na to. Right? Mitzi? Sir? And Tesla po. TSLA. Let's got Tesla. Ayan, si Tesla, that's a buy. Right there. Confirmation niya na nag-hold yung support niya. Buy for Tesla. Okay. Let me go to YouTube. Ayan. So, ito. Meron pala. Rosan Ginitaran. Sir Lloyd, Monday at GMA7. Let's check it out. Alright. Monday, Nisin, resistance, bearish. Stay away from it. GMA7. Alright, also resistance right there. Then, pababa yung RSI natin. Stay away from it. Right? Sobrang taas na yan. Right? You don't want to trade these ones at the tops. Right? Ang daming asset na yun na nasa baba. Doon kayo mag-focus. Yes, I want to influence that to you guys because that's my kind of trading. It's been working well for me. And that's what I really want to teach you guys. Alright. So, you're able to answer everyone. Thank you po, sir. You're welcome. Eddie, you're welcome. Alright, again, don't forget, yung bots po, while you are learning how to trade, I strongly recommend if ever newbie kayo, dun muna kayo sa mga automated trading so that hindi kayo mainggit sa gains ng market. At the very least, you're still taking advantage of the market while you're learning as much as possible. If nag-aaral pa lang kayo mag-trade, mag-practice trade lang muna kayo. Like sinabi ni Sir Lloyd, buy ito. I think it's a buy. Sulat ko muna kung binili ko ito, magkano ang napanalo ko and why did I buy this. If I buy this right here, this is my reason for buying. If ever natalo, note there bakit kayo natalo. Journal your trades, right? Kahit walang pera yan, okay lang. Dun muna kayo sa automated trading. You can copy trade. You can bot trade, right? If ever you wanna join the bot trade, andyan po sa video description yung Valkyrie, yung Izanagi para po kumita pa rin kayo habang nag-aaral. So there's no rush in trading and learning how to trade with your real money. Kasi po mawawala yung pera ninyo for sure if you trade without experience, without knowledge. One of the biggest risk, stock market is already risky as it is, right? Sa mga magagaling mag-trade, for me, still risky, right? Now, you double your risk, even triple your risk if hindi nyo pa alam anong ginagawa nyo. Baguhan pa lang kayo, nakachamba kayo simula. I tell you, that's not it. It's not easy to trade, especially in PSEI. So, the very least, mag-aral muna kayo mag-trade with notes lang, journal, or you can use Instagrams. Meron silang practice trading dyan na virtual funds lang on the real market. Then, note your practice trade para you can review it all the time. Ito yung mga winning trades ko. Ito yung mga winning trades ko. Anong percentage ang maganda? Bakit sila maganda? And then, this is my system. Uy, okay itong system para sa akin na ito. I'm buying because of position, reverse and shoulder, ganito, ganyan. And then, pag nakita mo, karamihan ng panalo mo is with that system. And that's gonna be your trading system in the future. That's how you learn how to trade. Alright? So, please, huwag muna real money. If you want to take advantage, at least go for the bot trades lang muna before at least you're taking advantage of the market movement pa rin habang nag-aaral kayo. Take advantage of the economy. Of the technologies now. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. It's gonna be Wednesday, market day pa rin. Ingat po lagi dito sa Cebu. Sobrang taas ng cases ng COVID. Halos Wala. Hindi na matenderan yung doctor friend of mine said na there's people are just dying at home talaga. It's a sad thing, but yeah, it is what it is. Right? We can always pray na lang for safety, but man, please stay safe. Wala po lahat ng pera if ever magkakasakit kayo at mawawala kayo. Right? So please stay safe. That's it for me. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone.